I'm going to take you on a short trip through the calculator talking about a one proportion hypothesis test. So let's say I want to test the theory, does P equal zero point 0.7, or in fact is P less than zero point 0.7, where maybe P is the true proportion of autistic children who are right-handed. And so I took a sample of 26 autistic children and discovered that only 10 of them were right-handed. Do I have evidence at the, say, 5% significance level that autistic children have a lower incidence of right-handedness than the general population? And so I could go through all the conditions and write all that out, and that's important. But for the sake of this, I just want to show you some things on the calculator. Now, we know that what I'm looking for is the probability that I would get a p hat less than 10 out of 26. Or in other words, the probability that my z is less than 10 out of 26 minus zero point 0.7 over the square root of zero point 0.7 times 1 minus zero point 0.7 over 26. And I could work this out, but I notice if I look on my calculator and I press stat test one prop z test, I can enter this information into my calculator, press calculate, and it will show me that the test statistic for this problem is negative 3.509, and that the p-value is 2.247 times 10 to the negative fourth. Pretty small, less than the 5% level. It also shows me that my p hat, or 10 out of 26, equals 38 over 46. And I can quickly see that if I press stat test, there's a whole bunch of interesting things on here, including two proportion z tests, intervals, t and z intervals, and this stuff will be very useful to us as we continue this semester.